Hello and welcome to another uAttend by Chronologic YouTube tutorial. My name is James and I am part of the support team for the uAttend system. Today we will be covering, as part of the overtime series, overtime by hour of the day. So we have already covered so far the weekly overtime, we've already covered the daily overtime by hours worked, and now we're going to look at by hour of the day. So first of all, you will need to log in as an administrator or a supervisor with sufficient privileges. Click the Departments tab and you will see a list of the departments that you have, and click the one you wish to set the rules up in. So we'll click Reception and go to the Overtime tab, and you will see this is the overtime for the reception department. And we're going to do today by hour of the day. So if I could explain to you what by hour of the day means, some organizations may have specific times of day where their staff will earn specific rates when they work specific times. Or some would like to know when they work in the morning, and some would like to know when they work in the evening at specific times. So let's say my core hours to work are 9 till 5. And you could say anything after 5 p.m. up until the end of the day would be overtime. So you could say here on a Monday, and you could say from 17, 5 o'clock, to 23:59. We can't do 12 o'clock because, as we already know, at 12 it becomes a new day. So from 5 until midnight wouldn't work. We'd be going backwards, because this is for a Monday. So it has to be 23:59. You can specify the rate and say 1.5, as we already know. This is the multiplier, so I will pay them 1.5 times their normal rate. And again, with the minimum hours box, we can set a specific number of hours or minutes that they need to work after this time in order for them to earn the overtime. So you could say 15 minutes and click Save. And there we go. We now have a rule that says they will be paid OT1 anything after 5 o'clock up until 11:59 on a Monday, as long as they work at least that 15 minutes after the 5 p.m. As I previously stated, some organizations also get called in the morning, and anything prior to their core hours is also something that will need to be paid. uAttend can track this separately with the second rate. You may still pay them uh, 1.5 times, but you may wish to know if they've came in the morning or if they've came in the evening. So we can use this here. So we can say from midnight, as stated, at midnight, it becomes a new day. So from midnight Monday up until 9 o'clock in the morning, again, 1.5, and I could put in the 15 minutes. So what we've done here is we are now specifying that anything in the morning will be a different rate. This will allow you to differentiate between anything worked in the evening and anything worked in the morning, even though you will still pay them the same. I can show you some examples now. So if we go to time cards and click David test, we can set up some time on the Monday. So I will click here, and let's just say I had to call David in a little bit early in the morning. We had a big quota in at work, and I need all of my team at reception to fulfill that. So you could say David came in at 6 in the morning and he finished at 7 in the evening. So he had quite a long shift. Save and close. Now we can see here that the core hours of 8 hours, 9 till 5, have been met, which is what he will be paid regularly as it's his normal shift. However, as we specified, the evening overtime is in OT1. So this is coming up as a blue color, which says he has done 2 hours in the evening, and he's also done 3 hours in the morning because he came in at 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9 is the 3 hours. This is a fantastic way to break down from the reports all of the time that your team have spent working in mornings or evenings, as well as their normal core hours as well. Or you could also use this just to pay them different rates in the morning and different rates in the evening. It's entirely up to you. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this video useful. Remember to like this video by clicking the thumbs up and subscribe for more content. You can find out more information on how to get in touch with us in the video description down below.